So this time I'm getting a video before I actually refinish it. Refinish. I'm gonna clean it, guys. How do I clean this, you guys ask? First off, I'm gonna clean me a little bit of space. Down. Yeah, be a little steadier. Show you guys the what's what of this Royalshire antique makeup bag. Guys, if you know anyone who has a key made or who has a key to these, because I don't know if they used individual keys for like all the sets or if there was like a master key. But if you know anybody who's like a locksmith or dabbles around in lock picking, or if they have an affinity for antiques or, you know, just things of old, if they have luggage, if you wouldn't mind asking them about Royalshire luggage, and if they by chance know anything about these locks. Because praise God, the clasp work. It's supposed to work right now. I've been oiling them. I'm wondering if I need a, see? What you doing? Hang on, man. Okay, I'll give you some in a little bit. So it needed positive pressure. And that snap, the inward push, was definitively harder. Yeah, you're not working now? Looks like I got a little bit of tuning to do. I already lubed it, that's the annoying thing, so I might have to, investigate to see what. Why aren't you working? That makes me sad. I'm sure you guys want to see inside.